The international project of creation of a corridor of effective cooperation opens new opportunities. Connecting 3 seas, Baltic, Black and Caspian, the participants of the project create the conditions for effective cooperation, effective trading, optimal solutions for cargo movement, minimize the risks of investing in joint projects, partnership network from the Baltic Sea to eastern shores of the Caspian Sea. Cargo handling on the shores of the Baltic Sea will be ensured by modern seaport of Gdynia, Poland, Klaipėda State Seaport, Lithuania. Polish shipping and forwarding companies will deliver goods from the terminals of the seaport of Gdynia to the border between Poland and Ukraine. One of the leaders of shipping and forwarding activities and stevedoring operations in Lithuania is Caminera Group, will deliver cargo of all categories from the terminals of Klaipėda State Seaport to the border between Belarus and Ukraine. Basic project coordinator in Ukraine, the group of companies Sodryshevstvo, Kiev, Kherson. The British-Ukrainian U-Port Group, on the freight market since 1997, organizes port handling in Ukraine. International Container Terminal of Batumi Seaport, Georgia, is ready to accept and process cargo in containers. One of the leaders of shipping and forwarding activities in Georgia is company Transfor Group, Tbilisi, will ensure the delivery of all categories of cargo from the terminals of the seaport of Batumi, Georgia, to the terminals of the seaport of Baku, Azerbaijan. The leader of shipping and forwarding activities in Turkmenistan is the company Turkmen Milli Logistik. It's ready to ensure the delivery of all categories of cargo from the terminals of the seaport of Baku to the terminals of the international seaport of Turkmenbashi, Turkmenistan, and throughout Turkmenistan. The modern seaport of Kurik, Kazakhstan, will ensure prompt and high-quality handling of all categories of cargo on the eastern shore of the Caspian Sea. Shipping and forwarding companies of Kazakhstan are ready to ensure the movement of all categories of cargo from the seaport of Baku, Azerbaijan, to the seaport of Kurik, Kazakhstan, and throughout Kazakhstan. The project envisages the participation in the ongoing programs of seaports of Ukraine, Port of Burgas, Bulgaria, Tekirdağ, Turkey, Baku, Azerbaijan. Opening new opportunities for cooperation between countries of Europe and Asia, the project provides access to the Central Corridor New Silk Road, the corridor North-South markets of the Gulf countries, and this is only the beginning. The stability of the project, its sustainable development, minimization of risks of participation are ensured by the actively developing program of creation of a multilateral, diverse bridges of cooperation between enterprises and organizations of cities and regions through which the corridor of effective cooperation goes. To stimulate creation, to ensure the maintenance of joint ventures and assistance in organization of effective trade project participants promote Chamber of Commerce AR of Adyara in Georgia, Bulgarian Turkmen Trade Industrial Chamber, Chamber of Commerce of Tekirdağ, Turkey. It's expected that Polish-Ukrainian Chamber of Commerce and the Chambers of Commerce of cities and countries partners of the project will join participants. Using the latest scientific development and training of qualified personnel, actively growing affiliate network of maritime universities and academies, scientific research institutes effectively. To those already participating in the project, Kherson State Maritime Academy, Ukraine, the Lithuanian Maritime Academy, Klaipėda, Lithuania, Maritime University of Constanta, Romania, Batumi State Maritime Academy, Georgia, Maritime Academy, Varna, Bulgaria, Belarus Research Institute of Transport, Transtechnica, Maritime University, Gdynia, Poland. In order to use new logistics models, optimization of routes and schedules, the cargo movement between the ports of partners to the reduction of the cost of their travel, participants and partners of the project, created a single international logistics center, Global Multimodal Logistics, formed technical task to create a new software product forming multimodal transportation, Software product adapted into a single logistics network, with the software products operating in companies of partners of the project. Unity of purposes, reliability of partnership, and dynamic development of multi-way relationships. New Solutions is a recipe for risk minimization and efficient economic growth.